If you wanted to come to Bali to the Experts MBA, but well, circumstances happened and you couldn't actually make it, and you really wanted to take your coaching, training, consulting, and speaking business to the next level with the latest, most advanced marketing strategies and techniques specifically for this industry, well, you are in luck. Because it's the holiday season and we recorded everything that happened at the Experts MBA in Bali. Plus, we're even adding a few more modules just to make it more complete because we kind of ran out of time and we just thought, wow, okay, there needed to be a few extra things in there. And so here is what you're going to get with the Experts MBA online, okay, when we make it available to you. So, first of all, you're going to basically learn about how to craft your message. You're going to come up with the foundational skill of being able to get your client to go, oh my gosh, yes, that is exactly what I need. That is exactly what I want. And they're going to call you and chase you so that you can give it to them, okay? So the other thing you're going to do, or you're going to get, is you are going to be able to really develop your brand and your credibility so that, well, the client more or less says, wow, I really trust this person to be able to achieve this great thing that they're actually telling me they can do. And of course, the entire thing that makes it worthwhile is that it's going to take all of the effort that you take, time and things and trying to make this and do this and everything else is going to automate everything so that you can leverage it and you can maximize your impact to get more clients. Plus, on top of that, we're even going to help you to develop leverage of yourself. Okay, which basically means we're going to create products where you can create multiple offerings so that people will be able to give you more business just in case they weren't interested in that one thing. Now, everything in between there, we're also going to work with you because, of course, there's all the little bits and details. I mean, you need to, set up Facebook campaigns. We're going to show you how to do that so that you literally don't waste money. Most people, when they go into Facebook, they start doing this stuff and they go, oh my gosh, they spend crazy amounts of money. And then it takes a lot more people buying stuff just to make up for the marketing spend, which kind of sucks because the whole point of business is to actually make more money and spend less, right? So, it makes sense, right? So we're going to show you all the tricks and strategies that we have used to get people interested in you, get people interested in your brand, and develop your brand in the same process. How you can use various ad platforms, Instagram, Facebook, etc., to really develop that and minimize your expenditure and maximize your value retention, which basically means you're going to get a lot more business for the amount of money that you spend. Now, if you look down here, there's a whole bunch of other little bits and pieces that talk about all the little different details, and there's even more of that that we included in the Experts MBA. So, okay, right now it's not available because we're still putting it all together. And on the 20th of December, this is going to be available, so please do make sure that you put your name, email address, and your phone number on here so that we can notify you when this is available. And of course, remember, it's the holiday season, so we are going to make you a super incredible, fantastic, and amazing special deal. This is Arthur Carmazzi wishing you great success.